Just stay on cart, that's all I ask. If I'm solo tanking this bitch.
Got it. Reloading. You going first? You can go first, Luna, if you want. You go first. Yeah, you go first. Psylocke's on the cart.
Double
Right out.
I got it. I'm coming to save you, old. Blinding cloak. 1. Luna's 1 too. Nice. Ooh. Psylocke's top right. She dashed back down the steps. Nice.
Even our own gods are far from perfect, sister.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum. Thanks for the boost. Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
Enemy ahead. Don't let this vehicle stop moving.
Sure.
Walking back with our Luna so we just don't get killed on cart.
Let's go. This place makes
I have my bubble back for you guys.
magnificent. The light force is building.
That's the boost I need.
That's it! Don't let anything stand in your way.
Psylocke's on cart.
Thanks for the boost. So close. This is your big
I'm trying to help you out, my friend. Reloading. No.
That's a waste it out.
Let's get into some good trouble. Get that
Don't both out at the same time, figure it out.
Don't what?
We got company.
The DPS, don't you guys fucking both out at the same time.
You... Back up. We just kite out.
Back up.
Whoa.
Let him use everything. Target.